Overview of the trauma situation of Bangladesh. I am Dr. GA Munir. Bangladesh, a densely populated country in South Asia, has been historically prone to various forms of trauma due to its geographical location and socioeconomic factors. What is trauma? Distressing experiences that exceed an individual's ability to cope can manifest through natural disasters, political unrest, accidents, and social challenges. Prevalence and prevalence and sources of trauma, road traffic accidents, political unrest, domestic violence, natural disaster like cyclones, floods, earthquakes. These are the scenarios of some road traffic accidents. Factors contributing to road traffic accidents: overcrowded and poorly maintained roads, lack of traffic law enforcement, insufficient penetration facilities in Bangladesh, non-compliance with traffic rules, rapid urbanization and population growth. These are the statistics and of accidents and casualties. You can see in 2022, there are deaths of 9,951 persons and injured 12,356 among 6,749 accidents, increased by 18.89% than the previous ones. Higher rates in motorcycle accidents, it is about 28.59%. Types of trauma due to road traffic accident. There are two types: physical trauma and psychological trauma. Injuries to different body parts, head, limbs, and chest, etc. Psychologically, emotional and mental health impact on victims and witness. Common injuries: head injuries, spinal cord injuries, fractures and musculoskeletal injuries, chest and abdominal injuries, also soft tissue injuries. Prevalence and demographics. Usually, the younger male adults are the victims. They are aged about 15 to 29 years. In rural areas witness more accidents due to higher traffic density, and urban areas and rural areas often have poorly maintained roads, contributing to accidents. Challenges addressing trauma: limited healthcare infrastructures and resources, lack of proper emergency medical services, insufficient training of medical professionals in trauma care, public awareness and education about road safety and trauma management. Road safety measures in Bangladesh. Government initiatives and policies to improve road safety, awareness campaigns and public education. Infrastructure improvements like road design, signage, traffic laws and enforcement. Strict enforcement of seatbelt and helmet laws is emergency. Healthcare response and trauma management. Hospital facilities and trauma care centers, development of the specialized trauma centers in major cities, training healthcare professionals in trauma care and advanced life support, role of paramedics and first responders, providing immediate medical assistance at accident sites, stabilizing patients and facilitating safe transport to medical facilities, rehabilitation and long-term care, rehabilitation programs for survivors to gain functionality. Recommendations and future directions to improve road safety regulations and enforcement, enhancing trauma care facilities and training for medical professionals, implementing preventive measures and promoting public awareness, encouraging research on trauma outcomes and interventions. These are the pictures of three guys with Ilizarov rings standing up on. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Munir.